Welcome to the JavaScript Basics video series, where we embark on an exciting journey to uncover the fundamental building blocks of JavaScript programming. If you're ready to unlock the power of web development, you're in the right place. But first, let's kick things off with a bang. What is JavaScript, you ask? JavaScript is the language that empowers us to create dynamic and interactive websites, turning static pages into immersive online experiences. Before we dive deep into JavaScript's magic, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what a website is. A website is like a digital universe made up of web pages and related content, all accessible through the vast expanse of the internet. Now, let's talk about the three main technologies that come together to create these amazing websites: HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and the star of the show, JavaScript for interactivity. Today, we're shining the spotlight on JavaScript. So how does this incredible language, JavaScript, work its magic? JavaScript works by running code right in your web browser, allowing web developers to craft interactive experiences that engage users. To see this in action, open up your web browser, right-click anywhere on a web page and select Inspect Element. This opens the developer tools. Finally, click on the Console tab. Once you've got the console open, let's write our first line of JavaScript code. Type alert hello, then press enter. Boom! What you just wrote is called code, and when you hit enter, it runs the code. See that pop-up? It says hello. That's the power of JavaScript in action. That's a wrap for today's episode. But don't worry, this is just the beginning of your JavaScript adventure. In the next video, we'll delve even deeper into the world of JavaScript, exploring its core concepts and capabilities. And remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel